In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use TinyTask. Now, after opening the application, it will simply look something like this. Now, to get started, the first thing that you want to do is to click on the record button, and then you will be able to record your mouse movement. Now, let's say I'm playing something or I want to keep my mouse moving while I'm away. I can just record these clicks right here. And from there, you want to navigate back to your TinyTask and click on the record once more. If we click on the play button, it will automatically play out the mouse that we have recorded. Now, of course, there's no way for you to cancel this out, but to do it, you want to head over to the settings right here, because unfortunately we cannot cancel it manually. And then you want to set your playback hotkey. In my case, I'm going to select F8. And so if we click on the play button and if we click F8, it will immediately stop the process right here. So let's navigate through TinyTask once more. Of course, you can open up some presets if you want to, and then you can save your own recordings if you want to. But as an additional feature, we also have something like the continuous playback. Now with this one, it will loop your recordings endlessly. Basically, this is good if you're going to be away for a long hour or a long period of hour. But of course, before you click on the continuous playback, as I've mentioned, you want to set your playback hotkey at first, because you cannot stop the endless loop if you did not set up your own playback hotkey. So let's click on the custom playback right here. Click on the play button, and now it will loop my recording endlessly. And of course, once again, we can stop this by pressing our playback hotkey. In my case, it's going to be F8, which is going to be this one. Now we also have another hotkey if you don't want this showing up all the time. Of course, you have something like the recording hotkey, which is going to be F12. So with that one, I'll just press F12 and record my mouse right here. Press F12 once more, and if you click on the play button, the mouse movement will now show up. But since I'm on the continuous playback, it will then continue endlessly. To stop this, press your playback hotkey. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.